we have again another requested video, which is all about area of rectangular prism. Please watch this for you to learn how to find the area of rectangular prism. Before we will start, let us first help define what is an area. An area in geometry, it can be defined as the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object. So we have two kinds of area, the lateral area and the surface area. What is the difference between the two? For the lateral area of the base is not included. For the surface area, all area including the base are included. That is the difference between lateral area and surface area. So for the given example on the screen, okay, we can visualize in here, we're going to find the lateral area and the surface area of the given rectangular prism. The rectangular prism, by the way, is a solid figure, three-dimensional figure, and it has a given dimension, 7 centimeter by 5 centimeter by 3 centimeter. That is the width, the length, and the height. So let us start first with the lateral area. For the lateral area, as I mentioned a while ago, the area of the base is not included. So we will just get the perimeter. The definition of the perimeter in geometry is we're going to add the measurement of all its sides. Since this is a rectangular prism, the side measurement of the bases will be the length and the width, which is 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So for the lateral area, the base of the rectangular prism, we need to get its perimeter first. So the length is 7 centimeter and the width is 5 centimeter. Now we'll get the perimeter. To add all the perimeter, we have 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5. So for the perimeter of the base, we will have two sides of 7 centimeter. That means 2 length and 2 width. Plus 7 plus 5 plus 5. So that is the perimeter of the base. Now the height given is 3 centimeter. Now we're going to add all the base, the perimeter of the base, which is 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 5 is 19, plus 5 is 24 centimeter. Then multiply it by 3 centimeter. So that is how we get the perimeter of the base and the height. Now we need to multiply it. 24 times 3 is equal to 72 centimeters squared. Take note that in getting the area, the unit of measurement that we're using is the square of centimeter, the square of meters, and so on. And we will have 72 centimeters squared. So that's it. That is how we get the lateral area of a rectangular prism. Now, we were going to get the surface area. For the surface area, the formula is 2 front and back. So for the front and the back of this rectangular prism, we're going to highlight them so that you can see them. So just imagine this is the front and the back, the blue one. And then for the top and bottom, we will use a red one. We're going to shade it so that you can see the differences of its surfaces. And then the left and the right, which are the sides of the box. Rectangular prism is like a box. Okay, so those are the 6 surfaces, okay, of the given rectangular prism. Now we're going to get the surface area. For the surface area, we can also use the shortcut one, which is 2 times the length and the width plus width times the height plus the length times the height. You may also use this formula if we were going to identify the given. Let us write all the given in here. So for the given, so let be the length will be 7 centimeter width will be 5 centimeter. And for the height, we have 3 centimeter. Using this formula, we can now plug it in the values. For the surface area, we have 2. Then double parenthesis in here because we're getting the product of the length and the width, the product of the width and the height, and the product of the length and the height. So the length is 7 centimeter, times the width, which is 5 centimeter, plus the product of the width, which is 5 centimeter, and also the product of the height, the product of the width and the height, which is 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter, plus the product of the length and the width, which is 7 centimeter, and the height is 3 centimeter. There you go. So we can now simplify the equation. We have 7 times 5 is 35. Oopsie, don't forget the centimeter unit, the unit of measurement. So we have 35 centimeter plus 5 times 3, we have 15 centimeters squared. And then 7 times 3, we have 21 centimeters squared. In adding all this dimension or this measurement, we will just copy the unit of measurement since the operation is a plus sign or addition. Okay, so we have 2 now. So now we were going to add 35 centimeter plus 15 centimeter plus 21 centimeter is 71 centimeters squared. Now multiply it by 2. So 71 times 2 will have 142 centimeters squared. Don't forget the unit of measurement. It must supposed to be written in a centimeter squared. So there you go. So this is now the surface area. And this is the lateral area. So that's it. That is how we get the lateral area and the surface area. Before we end up this video, we believe that there is no retention of learning without application. So you're going to practice what you've learned on how to get the lateral area and the surface area on this slide. Check your understanding how to find the lateral area and surface area of this given rectangular prism with a measurement of 10 centimeter by 5 centimeter by 2 centimeter. Find the lateral area and the surface area. Good luck. Hope you've learned a lot for today about how to solve the lateral area and the surface area of rectangular prism under geometry subject. See you again on the next video. Bye everyone.